Hello, I'm interested in FIFO. Please help and guide me through the whole process. Let's get into this one because I'm sure there's loads of other people that's in this guy's boat as well. I'm still getting loads of messages from people all over the world asking me, where do you apply for FIFO? How do you get into FIFO? What tickets do you need? Where do you get your training done? How do you approach the companies? What websites do you go through? Like all the general questions about how to get into FIFO. I've already answered all of these questions in my little step-by-step guide. My recommendation for anyone wanting to get a FIFO job in 2025 would be to go onto my stand store, which is the little link in my bio, click on that and download my step-by-step guide. In this guide, I'm literally telling you exactly what to be doing in order. I'm telling you what to do. I'm telling you how to do it. I'm telling you where to find it. I'm giving you the little links to bring you. I'm literally taking you by the hand and telling you everything you need to do. So it has all my recommendations in it, all my advice in it. Tried to include as much information as I could. I tried to make it as easy to follow as I could, and I'm getting absolutely amazing feedback from, and it's helping a lot of people. It's taking the stress away from people. It's giving them the confidence that they need to sort of know where to focus their efforts on whenever they land. It's reducing their anxiety about a big, massive move over. Use it as a little checkbook kind of thing and just sort of refer back to as much as you want and just start at the start and just follow your way through all the steps. For anyone interested to know what's inside it, here's the contents pages. I'll put them up on the screen and you can pause it. And yeah, if you have a read through these, you can see I go through absolutely every little stage of the process. I tried to cover everything. And for anyone that has any specific questions for me, just hit me up on Instagram so I can send you little voice notes and video notes back. It'd be way faster for me to do it that way. So if anyone's wanting to know anything, hit me up there and I'll chat to you soon.